Thrive with website content writing services from us. The only drawback: someone in your business has to research, think about and write blog posts that live up to these dreamy bullet-pointed promises. With the right content and keywords, worldwide audiences can be captured and sales made. Squares provides website content writing services that is cost-effective and gets results. We don't just churn out content and hope that your ideal customers will see it, read it and miraculously buy what you're selling. There is more to it. Every word we use is strategic and the structure of your message is carefully planned from the start. We'll work with you to ensure well-crafted copy runs through every aspect of your online marketing. Tailoring the content and the pricing of our website content writing services ensures that you're always getting precisely the service your business needs to succeed, such as website content. Interesting, keyword-rich direct response copy that is gripping to read and improves your sales and conversions. SEO articles. Appropriate keyword-rich copy for blogs to draw traffic to your site and enhance your uniqueness. Landing pages. Words that will shatter resistance and persuade people to pay you for your product or service. Email newsletters and promotions. Dynamic emails that motivate your prospects to take action. Whatever your website needs to connect with, engage and convert your ideal audience, we'll make it happen. In terms of targeting millions of potential customers, website content writing services is very influential. Squares has been growing at an exponential pace where our experts put extensive efforts into delivering robust website content writing services. The work we are doing has given us the opportunity to connect with clients all around the globe. Get your roadmap to success with us. Contact information. Address 412 and 413, Chauhan Park View, Bhilai, Chhattisgarh 490020. Contact number 9165-999-333. Email hello@squares.tech. Website https://squares.tech/